Good day everyone, welcome to Senior Pablo TV. And for today's tutorial video, we will be discussing illustrating linear equation from linear inequalities. Before we further explain, let us, let us first compare the following numbers. So in comparing numbers, we use the following symbols. We have the greater than, the less than, or the equal to symbol. Negative 5 compared to negative 1. So we're going to use the less than symbol. Negative 5 is less than negative 1. Number 2, 10 compared to 4. We know that 10 is greater than 4. And in number 3, 5 compared to 5. Of course, 5 is equal to 5. And in number 4, negative 4 plus negative 6. So, negative 4 is greater, so we use negative 4 is greater than negative 6. Now, we're going to get the symbols in our linear equation. So, in our linear equation, we're just going to use the symbol equal sign. While in inequalities, you will encounter the following symbols. We have the greater than, we have the less than, we have the greater than or equal to, and the less than, or equal to, and of course, the symbol not equal to. So from the root word unequal, so you're going to use, or we will going to use the following symbols in our linear inequalities. In linear equation and in linear equalities, we need to test whether the values or the ordered pair is a solution of the given equation or inequality. We discussed our linear equation in our previous videos. Now, let us review this problem. Determine whether the ordered pair 2, 3 is a solution to the system of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 8. So all we need to do is to copy the equation x plus 2y is equal to 8. So we have the ordered pair 2, 3. This is our 1 and this is our x and this is our y. In linear inequality and linear equation, we need to test whether our values for x and y satisfies our inequality or equation. In our previous videos, we discussed the linear equations. Now let's have a short review. Let's say we have this problem. Determine whether the ordered pair 2, 3 is a solution to the system of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 8. All we need to do is to copy our equation x plus 2y is equal to 8. We have the given ordered pair, which is 2 and 3. We know that 2 is our x and 3 is our y. Now we need to substitute in our equation. So our x is 2 plus 2 times our y is 3 is equal to 8. Now, simplify the left side of the equation. 2 plus 2 times 3, this is 6 is equal to 8. 2 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 is equal to 8. This is true. Therefore, the ordered pair 2, 3 is a solution of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 3. Why it is a solution? Because if we're going to test by substituting the values for x and y, we will come up with the equal answer. Now, the same case in our linear inequality. So let's say we have this problem. Is 3, 4 a solution for the linear inequality 2x minus 3y greater than 4? So same case, copy 2x minus 3y is greater than 4. Now, substitute 2 times our x is 3 minus 3 times our y is 4 greater than 4. So 2 times 3, this is 6. Negative 3 times 4, this is negative 12. Greater than 4. 6 minus 12, this is negative 6 greater than 4. Is it true or false? This is incorrect or false. Therefore, the ordered pair 3, 4 is not a solution of the given of the linear inequality 2x minus 3y greater than 4. It is not a solution. Why? Because if we're going to test, it gives us a false answer. Now let's try our second example. Is 2 comma negative 1 a solution for linear inequality 2x minus 3y greater than 4? Oh, okay. The same inequality, but we're going to test this ordered pair. So we have 2x minus 3y greater than 4. So we have 2 times x is 2 minus 3 times our y is negative 1. Is it greater than 4? Okay, let us check. 2 times 2, that will give us 4. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Negative times negative, positive 3. Greater than 4. 4 plus 3, this is 7. Greater than 4. Is 7 greater than 4? Yes. So this is true. Therefore, the ordered pair 2, negative 1 is a solution of the linear inequality 2x minus 3y greater than 4. So that's on how to test whether the given solution or whether the given ordered pair is a solution of the linear inequality or linear equation. So those are the differences between the linear equation and linear inequalities. We will be discussing the graph of linear inequality in two variables. So let's have this example. Graph the linear inequality 2x plus 4y is greater than 12. In our linear equation, we have different ways or methods to graph the equation. We have the x and y intercept, the slope, rise over run, and in this case, let us first rewrite into inequality. So that is into equation, linear equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Okay, let us first graph this. 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. The easiest way here is to get the y-intercept and the x-intercept. To get the x-intercept, let y be 0. So let y be 0 to get the x-intercept. So if y is 0, so we have 3x plus 4 times y is 0 is equal to 12. Now we have 3x is equal to 4 times 0, that is 0, is equal to 12. Divide by 3. Now x is equal to 12 divided by 3, 4. So our x-intercept is 4, 0. Now to find the y-intercept, let x be equal to 0. So 3 times x is 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. 3 times 0, that is 0. Now we have 4y is equal to 12. Get y, so we need to divide by 4. Y is equal to 12 divided by 4, that is 3. So our y-intercept is 0, 3. Okay. If we're going to plot in our Cartesian plane, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 0, 3, 0, 3, it's here. So in our equation, we're just going to connect the 2 points. And that would be our graph. But since we are in the linear inequality, and we have this symbol greater than. So since that is greater than, we're going to use the broken line for the greater than. Broken line. That means, okay, that means this is our line. Now, in a linear inequality, we have this testing the origin, the 0, 0. Okay, we need to test our origin. If the origin make the inequality true, shade the half plane containing the origin. If the origin make the inequality false, shade the half plane does not contain the origin. So we need to test our linear inequality. So by the origin is 0, 0. So 3x plus 4y greater than 12. So 3 times 0 plus 4 times y is 0 greater than 12. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 4 times 0 is also 0 greater than 12. Is 0 greater than 12? So this is false. Okay, false. Since false, if the origin make the inequality false, shade the half plane does not contain the origin. So we are going to shade, we will not include the origin, this part. So our graph will be this one. This is our graph. Okay. This will be the graph of the inequalities. All the numbers here satisfies the linear inequality. Let's have another example. This time, let's have this example. Graph the linear inequality 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to negative 6. So, we're going to use this time the slope-intercept form. Or the slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b. Or if you want, you can also use the x and y intercept or 2 point. Any method that you are comfortable to use. So this time, let's use the slope-intercept form or the SIM. So let's make it 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 6. Now, make it into y is equal to mx plus b. So 3y is equal to, move to the right, negative 2x minus 6. Just copy minus 6. So 2x, we're going to move to the right, that will become negative 2x. Now, let us divide by 3. So we have now y is equal to negative 2 over 3, then copy x, negative 6 divided by positive 3, that is negative 2. So this is now our slope-intercept form. In our slope-intercept form, we can find our m, which is this slope, negative 2 over 3. And our y-intercept, which is b, negative 2. Now let us locate in our Cartesian plane. So first, locate the y-intercept. So from the vertical line or the y-axis, find negative 2. So negative 1, negative 2. The point is located here. Next, slope is 2 over 3. So rise from the y-intercept, rise 1, 2. Then since this is negative, run going to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the point is located here. Again, let us repeat. Negative 2 on the y-axis. Then rise 2 times. 1, 2. Then run to the left because it is negative. 1, 2, 3. Now we are ready to connect our line. Connect the points. We'll make a line. So this will be the line. Okay. So we're going to use the straight line, not a broken line, because in our inequality, greater than or equal. Take note of that. So if you will encounter equal, it must be not a broken line. Now let us test the origin. Test the origin 0, 0. So test 0, 0. 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0 greater than or equal to negative 6. So 2 times 0 is 0 plus 0 is greater than negative 6. 0 is greater than negative 6. Is it true or false? It is true. Okay. Since true, if the origin make the inequality true, shade the half plane containing the origin. Containing the origin So we will shade this part. Okay, this will be the graph of our inequality. So that means all the shaded part satisfies our inequality 2x plus 3y greater than or equal to -6. So that is the graph of linear inequality in two variables. Thank you for watching Senior Pablo TV.